Hey guys, I've been getting a ton of requests of what my hair routine is. I just recorded the whole thing and this is the finished product. So keep watching if you're interested. I did share it on my Instagram story the other day, but I wanted to make one that you could just click on and watch whenever you wanted, just to look back at it. But yeah, this is the finished product and I hope you guys like it. I'm still working on my routine. I literally just started trying to do my hair this way like a month ago. I've been trying to use all sulfate free, silicone free, alcohol free, etc. products so I can make my hair healthy again. It is bleached, but this is what I found works for the style that I'm going for. So if you like it and if you think it'll apply to your hair, go for it. Anyway, hope you enjoy the video and let me know what you think in the comments. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to my shower. This is what my hair looks like after I brush it, and it is a fluffy mess, but we're here to fix that. And here we have the products I'm going to be using today. I have a microfiber towel, shampoo, conditioner, detangling spray, curl custard, a spray bottle with water, brush, comb, and diffuser. And I will be linking all of the products below in the description. And might I say, it's kind of weird taking a shower in front of a camera in a bathing suit. But anything for you guys, am I right? So here, just like any regular shower, I am starting off by getting my hair wet and then using my shampoo. And since shampoo does strip your hair of the natural oils, I like to leave it around my roots so I can just get the greasy bits out and then leave the rest alone. So before switching to these all-natural products, I would be having to shampoo my hair almost every day or every 2 days. But now with these natural products, I literally can go like 4 days without having to shampoo my hair. So that's pretty good. So then I'm just rinsing it out, and then I'm gonna move into my leave-in conditioner because I don't have a real conditioner yet. At this rate, I was waiting on a package to come in the mail, and I will link the new conditioner that I'm using now. But this is what I have in the video. So here I am using a technique that is referred to as squish to condish. You basically just squish your conditioner into your hair and scrunch it until all of your knots come loose and your waves clump together. And since I'm only a month into using this method, my hair is still really knotty. It still does have those silicones and wax buildup that I've been using previously for years and years and years. So my knots are still there. Even as I'm editing this video, my hair has gotten so much better from this point. Just from continuing to use this method, it has improved so much. If you do struggle with knots, and if you do struggle with your waves clumping, I would suggest to really make sure everything goes into your roots and everything flows from the top down. Then after I rinse, I just squish out some of the excess water, and then I start adding my styling products. And here we are talking about those knots again. Here I'm using Not Your Mother's detangling spray. This detangling spray does cause a little bit of buildup, so I like to concentrate it on my ends, and it leaves it a little bit shiny, so I don't like to use too much. And up next we have one of my favorite products, as you can see by the way I am displaying it. And this product is a curl custard by Mop Top. Previously, I had no idea what a curl custard is, but the best way I can describe it to you is it's kind of like a light hold gel. And I just scrunch this into each section of my hair and make sure each little morsel is covered. A lot of you may know what I'm saying when I talk about the fact that gel makes your hair crunchy. This product does leave your hair crunchy, but I'll explain why the crunch is beneficial later on in the video. And now I'm going to take my microfiber towel. This is something that's referred to as plopping. You plop your hair into the towel and tie it up for about 10 minutes and let the moisture come out. Using a microfiber towel or a 100% cotton t-shirt will help prevent frizz. I'd also like to add that yes, my towel is on backwards and I had no fucking clue. I saw somebody on Instagram wearing it the right way and I was like, shoot, I just recorded a whole YouTube video and it was on backwards. So then after around 10 minutes you remove the towel. Sometimes I like to scrunch a little bit to reform the curls with the towel again. And then I'll go straight into diffusing on low heat. At first I just hold the diffuser for as long as I can bear on one spot so I can prevent frizz and moving my hair around too much. But you can diffuse your hair however you please or however works for you. I'm aiming for more volume and kind of definition as well as a little bit of frizz. And then I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it so I can get all areas of my hair, get volume on each side and dry it thoroughly. Then as you can see, as the water comes out and my hair starts drying, it gets more and more voluminous and more fluffy. So this is the finished product after diffusing. It's a little bit stringy and crusty because I did not scrunch out the crunch. The curl custard does give a little bit of a cast, making it crunchy, so then I just have to fluff my hair and get the crunchiness out. I start out by shaking out my roots and then crunching my hair with my hands. Sometimes I make sure to have a little bit of oil or a little bit of lotion on my hands so that it smooths out the curl. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, etc. Let me know what other stuff you want to see on my YouTube channel. I know I suck, but I'm trying to get better, so yeah. If you want to see more regular content, you can follow me on Instagram at pineapplebrat. And yeah, hope you have a good day.